Hi guys, Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical. We're going to take a quick look at the mushroom jerky that we put in the dehydrator. They've been in for about 4 to 5 hours and then I switched it off to cool. Let's go check them out. So we're just going to try one out now. Oh man, these are insane. You've got this really salty umami madness with this burnt sesame kind of flavour. And then you've got these undertones of sweetness from the honey. Guys, I highly recommend this. I don't think these are going to last long. Try it out, let me know how it goes. Have a good day, y'all.